Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of the weekend edition. And today it's actually Sunday. It's the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, March the 16th, 17th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. We have 3 puzzles left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. Yes, it's the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 Star Sudoku number 8206. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for a 4-star puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have 3 2s, 3 3s, 4 4s, alright. 3 5s, 3 6s, 3 7s, 3 8s, and no 9s. Well. So the 4s are in majority. Can I start with the 4? No. Well, then we have 8 in this row. Last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this second column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. Well. How about the number? 6 here. Yeah. No. 7. Need 7 here. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have 7 in the second column. No 7 in these 3 boxes. Here's 7 in this row. No 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in the last row. 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left with 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last column. 7 in that column. So the column between. Only 2 places left with 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left with a 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left with a 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the column between, the middle column, the only 3 places left with a 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. The only place left with a 7 should be there. Alright. Okay. Can I count? Yes. We can count. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 7. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 3 boxes. Here 1 in the second row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 1 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left with a 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left with a 5 should be there. 5, 5, 5, 5. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in the middle column. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next, so in that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes, it'll be the 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 5. Oh, wait. I know. Which number can I pick? How about a 6 in this row? 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column and no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6. Well. 6. Need a 6 here. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, or there. We see another 6 in this column. So no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 6 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 6. We have a 6 now in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And now I cannot continue with the 6. I need to wait. Alright. Okay. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. So we have 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row, so the row between the second row. Only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And the 8s are used. I can see. Digit 1, 3, number 8. Alright. And now. Yeah. And now we need to think. 2, 2. Okay. 2 numbers left in the second row. 4 numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the mark. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. So we have 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left on 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 3. Alright. And now. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8, the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this third column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here we have a pair, 1 and a 9. That means the other pair in this row, other numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, no, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 1 should be there. A 1 box left in this big square for the 1. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this third row. I believe the 9. Yes, 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 1 box left in the last row. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 now in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And the final number in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Finish in 12 minutes. Can I believe this? 12 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Let me give this a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.